Hello viewers, today my video topic is what is the virtual data room. What is the virtual data room? A virtual data room VDR also a drill room. Virtual data room VDR is also drill room. Also drill room is a secure online purpose and a strong and distribution. And distribution it is typically utilized during the due diligence process. Due diligence process during a major acquisition of a review share and this close company documentation. The BDRS company is also the due diligence process. And the kind of virtual data room BDRS. BDRS is a secure way to store document the multiple people need. Multiple people need to access the securely in the same time. BDRs are commonly used by business when they are merging or project. Here a project or the other joint individual of the BDR software, and the merchant working as a project or the joint body that require access to shared data. BDRs are considered more secure than physical documents are, as there is no risk of loss during current transit of the big and destroyed accidentally. Generally action like copying, printing and forwarding are the result of a BDRS. BDRS is the of this OS of this right game, and this is the BDRS and the users. And the virtual data room they virtual data room BDRs are the secure way to store documents. Secure way to store documents that multiple people need access to simultaneously. Simultaneously in the BDRs are considered more secure than the physical documents in the BDRs is the secure online data room. Data room. And this is the measure of the cases of a virtual data room and the BDRs. And today I am ending my video. Thank you all so much. I hope you understood this video very good. Thank you so much.